Second time. This was your second time at Celebrity
Second
Launch
time,
Pad. All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Hey, I'm Manny Fabriker, the author of Single Daddy Cookbook. Hey, I just got here to Celebrity Launch Pad and finished the past 3 days. And I gotta tell you, well, let me tell you the story. First of all, I got booked on 13 segments. Basically, every single producer that I pitched to wants me on. And the story is, I actually canceled the day before the event. I canceled my airline, I canceled the hotel, I told Clint I'm wimping out and I'm not coming. And with much of his influence and power that he shared through messaging me, I ended up coming, and it has been the best decision I have ever made. This is my second event. I came, I guess, the first time I got on 4 segments before, but this time, every single one of them, I got booked. And what a huge transformation this was for me. Personally, I feel like way more confident, than I did before, because I just felt I'm a nobody, right? Nobody knows me. I don't have a big following online. I'm just this regular dude cooking up food and sharing it online with my friends and family, and I'm just a regular guy. And Clint showed me that, hey, I could be a celebrity. I can make it happen, that I have star power to share with the world, and I have a lot of energy to give people and to make myself a ton of money, having fun, and it's all because of Clint and Allie and because of this event. So if you're on the fence of getting going and you're like, man, I don't have anything done. I didn't have anything done. My book was not done. Websites weren't done. And I came anyway, right? I came anyway, and Clint helped me through the whole pitching thing and worked on some tweaks, and it was awesome. So get here. I don't care where you're at. I don't care who you are. If you're willing to do the training and work hard, you're gonna make it, man. So just show up, like Clint says. And rule number 1, do what Clint says. All right, guys, have a good one. Manny Fabriker, the Single Daddy Cookbook.